Oh my god, there's a new style for hair. I only have 1, 2, 3 bows in. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 bracelets on and 1 hair tie on my wrist. And it is blue. Now it's purple and supposed to wear 6 bracelets and 4 hair bows. I'm gonna call Chelsea. Hey Chelsea. Did you hear about the new style? You're supposed to wear 4 hair bows in your hair, 6 bracelets, and a purple hair tie on your wrist. I know. They keep changing the hairstyles, changing the amount of bracelets, changing the color of the hair tie. And I was supposed to get a new phone. Supposed to get one of those Androids that are touchscreen, and when you flip it, there's not touchscreen. Crazy, right? Should I send put another hair thing in my hair? Yeah, I'll send you a pic of me right now. Okay, I sent it. Should I? Yeah, okay, I will. Looks cute. Oh, and the new hairstyle is curly hair. I just straightened my hair. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think I should put any nail on. They're cute, right? Yeah, I'm showing you on Ooh right now. Look on your iPod. Yeah, I think they're cute, but I don't know. I think I'm a diva. Oh, you're so sweet. I don't like you for saying I'm a diva. Yeah, because that is always going to be a trend. Being a diva. And Stompies are too. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bye. I need to wear more bracelets. I'll put more bracelets. Then I want to wear a necklace. Charm. Chelsea, look at your iPod. Isn't this charm bracelet so cute? There we go. Look, wearing a disco and diamonds, and now I wear a charm bracelet. And this one, Chelsea, I'm wearing a kitty bracelet, another kitty bracelet, and a blue hair tie. Probably put earrings in too. Be right back, Chelsea. You can watch me put them in. Yeah, I know, but to my light line. Maybe more lip gloss. I'll pick my nails. Yeah. I think I'm busy Friday night, Chelsea. Yeah. How's Saturday sound? Okay, good. Oh wait, where are we going? Hold on to my wallet. I got $20. I'll go to the bank and get $20 more. I have a list of people to invite. Now that's your number, new number. I'm going to text you them. Okay. I don't forget about tonight. We're going to the place. Hey guys, now that was a diva beginning. Yeah, it was a. That's okay. That's how divas start out, and then they get bigger divas. Yeah. So yeah, all this stuff is mine. I wasn't really talking to anyone. I think I was actually in video on here. And my phone is turned off. And now it's turning on. You guys can watch it turn on. Yep, now it's on. Turn it off. Okay, so yeah. And my earrings were this. I really didn't know that. I thought they were in my bathroom. The charm bracelet is not rare. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.